Just to clear up this whole new AI image laws in New York, because people are already starting to panic, this does not mean AI images are banned. It also does not mean you can't use AI graphics in your designs. The actual issue is advertising that uses an AI generated synthetic human performer. In normal human words, if you're using a fake AI person to model your shirt, hold your mug, wear your jewelry, whatever, or make your product look like it was photographed with a real person in it, that's where disclosure matters. So no, this is not a big deal if you're using a real model, a real mock-up, or a flat lay, which most of you are probably using, or product-only images. The main takeaway for POD sellers is simple. Don't panic. If you're using AI graphics in your actual designs, this law is not aimed at you. If you're using fake AI generated humans as models in your Etsy listing photos, in your ads, in your Pinterest pins, in your Instagram posts, socials, whatever, Facebook ads, just add a clear disclosure like AI generated model shown. That's it. No drama. No AI is banned. No need to burn your shop down to the ground and start all over. No need to go edit a bunch of images either. Just a little creator secret here. If you see a video on this topic that's over 8 minutes, especially if it's conveniently sitting around that 8 to 9 minute mark, there's probably a reason for that. Once a monetized YouTube video hits that 8-minute mark, creators, YouTubers, can add mid-roll ads, meaning the ads you see in the middle of a video. It allows us to advertise more. So when you see someone stretch a simple topic like this into 9, 10, or 15 minutes, sometimes it's not because there's more to say. Sometimes it's just because there's more ad space to sell. And honestly, this topic is 2 minutes tops. There just isn't that much here. And it's not that big a deal. Just be clear when you're using a fake AI human to help sell your product.